Hey tech friends, welcome back to Surya. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable safe website browsing on a messenger. So in this, I will guide on the easiest and step-by-step process to enable safe website browsing on a messenger, which will protect you from suspicious link and all. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your messenger application on mobile device. After opening that application, now you can see your menu bar. To tap on menu. Inside the menu, now in case here one setting option is there, tap on setting. Inside that setting, you have to scroll it. Yeah, now you can see here one option here, privacy and safety. So tap on this. Inside that, you will be getting different types of option. But in that, you will see one option as a safe website browsing. So tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here this option is toggle off. So you have to toggle on this option. Now you enable that safe website browsing on your messenger, which will protect from different kinds of malicious links and phishing links. So you can protect, so you'll be safe from different types of links who will be sharing to in your messenger. So it will suggest and everything that this link is dangerous, harmful and all. So you can be safe from all those things. So in this way, you can enable that safe website browsing on messenger. So if you like the video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.